besides music and taking care of AJ and doing all this other stuff, this is what I do at work. I like to fix shit. So we'll start off. Well, I'll take you on tour. So over here we have the pumps, all the water pumps. Got the pipes going up, chillers, heat exchanger, all that good stuff. Let's take a closer look. This small, what looks small, is a heat exchanger. Worked on it yesterday, and this actually extends out all the way. And each of these is like an individual plate. It's probably about 200 of these. And I had to clean them out because, I mean, it gets dirty just like anything else. And just to show you, here's some of the tools I had to use. Pretty big stuff, pretty heavy, fun stuff. We'll move on to the chillers. These are multiple stage, 3 compressors on top. These are what cool the water. Like I said, here's a pipe going up. You know, the pumps to help it move with the flow. Strainers to make sure water stays clean. Over here we have a chemical that ties into the pipe to treat the water. Because over here in Nevada we have hard water, and it tends to fuck shit up. And a lot of calcium buildup. For you ladies that like to do the makeup and all that, keep your skin beautiful, you guys want a water softener. That way you don't get that hard water on your skin when you take a shower. You get a nasty skin like mine. So I guess that's a little beauty tip. What else? We come on here to the cooling tower. This would be like for some of you that have the AC units outside on the ground, it would be kind of like the condenser section. Okay, so this cools off the water. The pipes are run across, and it's kind of like a swamp cooler effect. Water trickles down, and with the fan on top, air movement. It's another form of a heat exchanger. So fun stuff. And then the rest of the pipe goes to the building. It's telecom or whatever it's designated to. Out here we also have the pumps out here because we also need to move the water from the condenser. Got the maintenance stuff there. And here's something cool I want to show you. I mean, besides all this mechanical stuff, I also get to see it all on the computer. See, here's that heat exchanger, my 2 chillers, my pumps, all my information I need to keep an eye on it and make sure everything's working the way it's supposed to. I'll check my condenser towers, and keep it green here, so we don't run it on full speed if we don't have to. Right now it's on 39%, 45-degree water. That's all. These pipings go to the air handlers in the building, and that blows out the air into the room. Yeah, I mean that's how we run shit. It's cool. Other than that, so thanks for watching. My girlfriend got me this. It's a GoPro. Because I'm going pro. And thanks, babe.